Pato and Elly are celebrating Thanksgiving. Pocoyo, help me. Can you just go get the card? Yeah, sure. Beep, beep. Watching TV. Let's move it. See, he's watching TV.
Who's the 12 ovations? I just have fun and always play. So I already played this morning. I'm thankful for playing for Thanksgiving.
I'm thankful for my sleeps when I pick flowers and go outside. I'm thankful when I start eating my bones. I'm thankful for my friends when I eat some berries. I'm thankful for when I pick some water and how big a you put the bushes. Hi guys, you ready for dinner?
Yes.
How about you? I'm drinking ice cream milkshake. How about you? Me? Yeah. You too?
I'm eating dishes.
Okay. And eat your food when you don't eat dishes. Oh my goodness, I forgot about the bread of the pizza. The pizza's almost done. Oh my gosh, this food smells so good. I'm gonna go back upstairs to go fetch with my dinner. Let me ask Elly if the pizza's done. Okay. Elly, I'm hungry. What food is gonna be ready? Maybe pizza's done. Okay. But don't touch it. I'm gonna join Pato and Phoebe and Loula. Okay. Hey, I'm hungry. Oh, you want some, you want a lollipop? Yeah. It's yummy. Okay, Elly, I'm ready for the food yet. Okay, just 1 minute, Pocoyo. I'm almost done cooking.
Hurry up, I'm starving.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. I'm just sleepy and just want to drink a milkshake. Oh yeah, it's very hot. Let me pull out. Ew, it's my pizza. Yum, 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 yum. You can't eat all the pizza. Your tummy will hurt. Yeah, leave some for us, baby bird.
Yeah, who do you think you are?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm still so sleepy. Hi, guys. I'm here to join you. What do you want? I want a pizza, but it's very hot.
Don't burn your head.
That's okay. I can come up on the table. Dear friends, today we'll gather to Thanksgiving Day. We're being thankful for everything we have in our lives. Let us eat, be merry.
It sounds good to me.
Yeah, me too. I'm just sleepy. I don't care. I hope you all like my food. Yeah, we love it. Happy Thanksgiving, Elly. Happy Thanksgiving, gang. Yay, yay. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. That's all. Please subscribe.